Hello everyone. My name is Kamalpreet and our group number is 26. We are four members in this group and these names are Kanika, Komalpreet and Jaspreet. And my slide is Introduction. The Start Entertainment Group Limited is an industry-leading Australian hospitality and leisure business that manages a variety of integrated resorts around the country. Providing first-rate lodging, gambling, and other forms of entertainment to guests is key to the company mission. The CEO highlights the company's good financial performance, including improved revenue and profitability as a consequence of successful strategic initiatives and operational efficiency. The CEO also stressed company's dedication to new technologies and property improvements. The Star Entertainment Group Limited is dedicated to expanding and improving its portfolio of resorts and casinos in order to meet the needs of a wide variety of customers. The chief executive officer also understands the significance of community improvement and responsibility gaming. And my next slide is liquidity ratio. In this case of liquidity ratio have two most important ratios such as quick and current ratio. According to values analyzed, the liquidity ratio uses to finance analysis of this organization. Quick ratio also known to as acid test ratio. In this ratio use the specific formula for calculate values. The formula of quick ratio such as current assets minus inventory by current liabilities. And current ratio, in the case of organization, the current ratio calculates the company accounts and budget. The formula of current ratio such as current assets by current liabilities. Using the formula analysis, the company current ratio in the case of inventory current ratio value in 2021 such as 0.478, and that is analyzes the company portfolio flogger to 2023. And my next slide is
Hi, myself Kanika. Performance of efficiency. Efficiency is the most important ability of organization. In the case of efficiency analysis, the organization profitable and product improvements using the efficiency in this company utilize the relevant resource for profitable performance of inventory turnover ratio. According to inventory turnover ratio used for analysis stock, replace, sales, etc. Performance of return on total assets. According to return on total assets used for analysis, its profit, earning after tax and net income. In the case of Star and Entertainment Group limit the formula such as net income total assets. In 2021, the value of inventory turnover ratio such as 0.011, and in 2022, the value such as minus 0.038. These values suggest such as decreased from 2021 to 2022 over 2 years. In the case of company, the profitability is low from 2021 to 2022. Performance of inventory turnover ratio, number of days. In the case of company, calculates by 365 of inventory turnover ratio. In 2021, the inventory turnover ratio value such as 82.801, and in 2022, the value is 74.326. My next slide is performance of profitability. Profitability means the organization profitable products and goods. Here analyzes the Star and Entertainment Limit Company product profit and sales performance of C. The gross profit means such as when analysis and sub all product that is based on company. Then after calculate net income and call gross profit. Net performance of net profit ratio. In the other words, net income also known as net income and net profit. The calculate formula of net income is net income net sales. In 2021, the net income is 0.037, and in 2022, net profit is minus 0.133. It means the net profit is decreased in 2022 compared to 2021 of the company. Now, other slides will be described by my partner.
My name is Komalpreet. My slide is performance of solvency. The solvency is the most variant of the company that help to analyze the ability of company long-term debts and other finance variant. This includes the two terms, performance of debt to equity and the performance of a debt ratio. The another slide is marketing. The marketing component is the most important variant of company. Marketing means calculate the company cost, profit, product selling, etc. It includes the performance market value and the shareholder equity. The performance market value is the Star Entertainment Company in 2021. The value of market value in dollars such as 3.39, and in 2022 the value of performance of market value is 3.39. The other is performance of return on shareholder equity. The shareholder equity value of company in 2021 is 0.018, and in 2022 is minus 0.064. My next slide is performance of buzzers. Here is the different kind of budgets of the organization. Performance of production of budget in units. Here calculates the production of budget in units. Use the formula such as 50% of desired sale of next month. Here calculate 3 months of production of budget in units such as Jan, Feb, March, etc. In Jan month, the production of budget such as $24,000, and in Feb such as $16,000, and in March such as $18,000. Using formula per unit analysis, such a 50% of desired sales. The next thing is here calculates the labor budget in hours using formula such as production budget in units, direct labor hours per unit. Here calculate 3 months of labor budget in hours of the Star Entertainment group of company. In Jan, labor's budget in hours 3,20,000 hours, and in Feb month such as 3,20,000. The calculate of direct material budget use a specific formula such as production budget in units. And then next one is performance of sale budgets. The calculate of sale budget using specific formula for company data such as estimated sale price per unit. Here 3 months are calculating of sale budget. And my next slide is explained by next candidate.
Thanks, Kamal. I am Jaspreet Singh. Now I am explaining performance of budgets, production of budgets in the units. The given information provides an extract from the master budget for a specific period 2023 and outlined various aspects related to sales prices, labor, and material costs. Let's break down the detailed expected quantity. The value represented estimated quantity of units that the business plan to sell. In this case, the expected quantity is 20,000 units estimated sales. These figures indicate the projected sales volume for each month of the year. In January, the estimated sales are 40,000 units. In February, 48,000 units. In March, 32,000 units. And the April, 36,000 units. My next slide is performance of total budget contributed margin. The value provides in the given information represented various financial aspects of a business budget. Here, here, the meaning of each value. Direct materials cost. That refers to the total cost of the material required to manufacture or produce good or service. In this case, the direct material cost is 35,60,000 dollars. Direct labor cost. It is the cost associated with employing workers to produce goods or provide services. The direct labor cost is calculated by multiplying the direct labor budget in the hour by the direct labor rate. My next slide is the behavior consideration. Bias or overestimated behavior bias can significantly impact the profit planning and the budget process. One common bias is over optimize, where individuals tend to be overly optimistic about figure customs and financial projections. This can lead to setting unrealistic profit targets and underestimating costs, which may result in budgeting shortfalls and untenable goals. This is the end of our assignment. Thanks from all us.